Good morning and welcome back. Here some important question and illustration of chapter 1 solid state. Question 1, which is the matching of part A with part B. Part A contains alignment of magnetic moment and part B contains illustration. Match part A with part B. Here in part A there are alignment which is indicates alignment substance, alignment of magnetic moment of different substances A, and in group B illustrations are there. In part A, first A question, this type of alignment of magnetic moment indicates ferromagnetic. So in front of this illustration of ferromagnetic is CO and CrO2. A matches number 3, and in B this type of magnetic moment indicates antiferromagnetic. The illustration of antiferromagnetic is MnO, and C indicates diamagnetic because here electrons pair, so this electron pair indicates diamagnetic, and the illustration of diamagnetic is H2O and C6H6. In D, ferrimagnetism, this type of alignment indicates ferrimagnetism, and illustration of ferrimagnetism is Fe3O4. In question B, in initial lattice structure of Na plus is removed, sodium ion is removed from the corner, then find the formula of resulting compound. Here answer, as one sodium ion removed from the 8 corners, so the number of sodium ion is equal to 7 in spite of 8. 7 into 1 upon 8 is equal to 7 upon 8. Number of chlorine ion on 6 faces, formula 6 into 1 upon 2. So here number of chlorine ion on 6 faces is equal to 3, and formula will be sodium plus 7 upon 8 and Cl3. Multiplying this 7 upon 8 with 8, it will be Na7 and Cl24. So formula is equal to Na7 Cl24. Another numerical, an element has face-centered cubic structure with edge length equal to 361 picometer. The radius of atom A is, we have to find the radius of atom A. Formula of radius R equals to A upon 2 into root 2. A is edge length, and for face center cubic structure, formula of R is A upon 2 into root 2. Putting value of A 361 divided by 2 into root 2 means 1.414. So it is equal to 127.65 means 127.6 picometer. The radius of atom A is 127.6 pm. Another numerical question number 4. An element possesses in body-centered cubic structure BCC structure with a cell age as 288 picometer. The density of this metal is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. How many atoms does 208 gram of elements contains? Here 208 gram is molecular mass. So we have find molecular mass M. For body centered cubic structure, Z equals to 2, means the number of atom is equals to 2, and density which is given here 7.2, which is indicates as P. Density P means 7.2, and age length which is equals to A equals to 288 pm. 288 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. NO number of Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Formula of density P equals to Zm upon A cube NO. Z means number of atoms which is equals to 2. M means mass, and A means age length, and NO means Avogadro number. We have to find mass M equals to P A cube NO divided by Z. Putting value of P 7.2 density, and age length A cube means 288 into 10 raised to minus 10 cube, and NO means number of Avogadro 6.022 10 raised to 23 divided by Z means number of atom which is given to 51.75. After calculating this, so density and mass will equal to 51.75. Here 51.75 gram and atoms are 6.022 10 raised to 23. So 208 gram number of atoms will be 208 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 divided by 51.75, which is equal to 24.16 into 10 raised to 23. Next time, next illustrations and numericals. Till then, goodbye.